Not all coffee machines are created equal. Some can turn your kitchen into a cafe, delivering rich espresso, smooth milk drinks, and better coffee every morning. Others look impressive, but leave you disappointed after spending hundreds of dollars. With so many options available, finding the right machine can feel overwhelming. That's why we compared the best coffee machines to discover which ones truly deserve a place in your home. From simple everyday brewers to advanced espresso setups, we're ranking the machines that offer the best combination of quality, features, and value. Let's find the perfect coffee machine for you. Starting at number 5, we have the Keurig K Elite. For anyone who values speed and simplicity, this machine is a great choice. It is designed for busy mornings when you want a fresh cup of coffee without spending time adjusting complicated settings. With easy controls, customizable brew strength, and different cup sizes, it gives you a simple way to enjoy coffee exactly how you like it. Its modern design also makes it a great fit for most kitchens. The biggest advantage of this machine is convenience. You don't need special skills or extra equipment to make a good cup of coffee. However, if you're looking for a more authentic espresso experience, the next machines offer much more. Moving up to number 4, we have the Ninja DualBrew Pro. This machine stands out because of its flexibility. While many coffee machines focus on only one brewing style, this one gives you more freedom. You can enjoy different coffee options, adjust your drink size, and choose the strength that matches your taste. It is perfect for people who enjoy variety, but still want a machine that is easy to use. Another reason it performs well is the balance between features and simplicity. You get more control than a basic coffee maker without the complexity of a professional espresso setup. At number 3, we have the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo. This is where home coffee starts feeling much closer to a cafe experience. Unlike basic machines, it uses fresh coffee beans and takes care of much of the process automatically. From grinding the beans to preparing espresso and milk drinks, everything happens with just a few simple steps. The biggest advantage here is convenience. You get better flavor from fresh beans while still saving time every morning. It's a strong option for anyone who wants premium coffee without spending years learning barista techniques. Coming in at number 2, we have the Sage Barista Express. This machine is built for coffee lovers who want more control over every cup. Instead of simply pressing a button, it lets you become part of the brewing process. The built-in grinder, adjustable settings, and espresso controls allow you to create a more personalized coffee experience. The learning curve is slightly higher, but that's also what makes it exciting. You have more control over flavor, strength, and texture. For people who enjoy making coffee as much as drinking it, this machine is hard to ignore. But there is still one machine that takes the top spot. And finally, at number 1, we have the DeLonghi Specialista Arte. This machine brings together everything most coffee lovers want: a premium design, fresh grinding, better control, and a cafe-style experience at home. What makes it special is the balance between performance and simplicity. It gives you the feeling of creating coffee like a professional while still being easy enough for daily use. Whether you enjoy espresso, cappuccino, or milk-based drinks, it gives you the flexibility to create your favorite style. It may not be the cheapest option, but it delivers the kind of experience that makes your morning coffee feel special. Choosing the right coffee machine depends on what matters most to you. Some people want speed, some want convenience, and some want the full cafe experience at home. But every machine on this list can improve your daily coffee routine. Check the links below for more details, and subscribe for more coffee guides, reviews, and buying recommendations.